So I'm just coming off the elevator. As you can see, it's right there. And I'm going to take you for a tour of my pyramid room, which is right here, number 12033. All right, and as you can see, got a nice long hallway there and a hallway there. So let's go in and check it out. All right, so there's a quick glance, but we're gonna take you into the bathroom first. It's right as you walk in the door. So there it goes. You get a nice one big sink and a big mirror, toilet, and then you have a nice big shower. Okay, now it is a pretty strong shower. Normally, I find in hotels the pressure in the showers aren't really great, but they give you 2 towels to put down on the floor for a reason, because this glass does not come out far enough and water does shoot out pretty strong. So you definitely want the 2 towels. And comes with a hair dryer. All right, so now this is the room. We got a 2 double bed pyramid room. Comes with a full-length mirror, as you can see. Hello. Bed number 1. And you have a really nice backdrop. I love the backdrop. That's all tile, I believe, and it's like, I think they're called scarabs. So it kind of fits the theme of the Luxor, Egyptian. And then you got another bed. And then you have where you can put all your clothing and whatever you buy. And there's a nice big TV. Now this is where I think they used to have a, oh, sorry about that. This is where they used to have a fridge, but it is now empty. So I guess you don't get a fridge in these rooms. You get nice big cupboards, or drawers, I mean. This is nice deep single drawer. And then you also get a nice couple big deep double drawers. So they're good. So you have lots of room for clothes, because then you also have this double armoire. It can open up and you can hang things. All right. So then we'll just keep going over here. You get a couple chairs. Luggage is not included in the room. And then you get a desk if you are here to do work. You got plenty of desk space there. And then it comes with a nice big window, which we are going to go check out. All right, so this is the view from our window. The curtains are open pretty much as they will open. But I'm going to walk closer. So the window is on a slant because we are in a pyramid. And well, we get to look out at Mandalay Bay and Delano. It's not a bad view, but just so you know that it is tinted and it's not a super clear